we are going to be filming a video about, you guessed it, Pride. Woo-hoo. So if you guys are interested on seeing our Pride makeup look, then just keep watching. I have 3 palettes. I have the Mini Jawbreaker, the James Charles Mini, and then the Jeffree Star Morphe. I just have the Live-In Color by Morphe. It's like perfect for today's makeup look.
Ooh la la!
We already put our base makeup on, so we're just doing our eyes, our eyeshadow. And if you guys hear noise in the background, my family's over swimming. You hear laughing and yelling and splashing. It's them.
The pool is right outside the beauty room.
Exactly.
Let's get started.
So my look, my mom actually picked it out. I'm gonna try and recreate it.
My look, I'm just gonna go ahead and just try to do the Nikki tutorial one that she released not too long ago. Of whole Pride makeup. Let's see if I can do it. I'm not that talented, so we're gonna try.
It's not true. A pretty butterfly. Okay, I'm actually gonna go into another palette. This is the Flaming Hot Cheeto palette. I'm gonna go in using this orange and the Flaming Hot Cheeto. Flaming hot. It makes me want a Cheeto.
Pride's almost over. We're doing this really late, you guys.
Better late than never, they always say.
Our schedules are super crazy. They don't really mesh well together anymore. But for 4th of July, there's going to be a vlog coming at ya.
We're going to San Diego.
We're going to be those people who are going to try and hang out at the beach with our masks on.
These children are out there making lots of noises.
We have noises coming from front and back. We apologize. We're a little late on filming today, but of course they decided to come over right when we're filming and just hop in the pool.
That was my bad, guys. I tried to fix my hair and it still didn't come out right. I used blue hair dye as a toner and it turned my hair green.
Which is her favorite color, so I don't see the issue.
I was going for blonde.
My hair's my favorite color. Do you guys like it? It's purple. Yellow mixed with my skin tone is turning like an orangey color.
Lay down a base. No. Are you serious?
I primed my lid and then I just went to town with the yellow. The yellow? Oh wow. The next color that I'm using is called Pride.
This is my first time doing a Pride look, so I hope I'll do justice.
Same. This was the year that I actually like wanted to go out for Pride and go to like the parade and stuff.
Sad.
They have it every year, but I'm usually working. So this year I was like, I'm gonna go. And then everything got canceled. Thanks, COVID.
The Jeffree Jawbreaker and the Cheeto palette do not like each other. It's kind of patching through right here. I guess that's what I get for mixing a really bad palette with a cheap palette. No offense, Courtney, but thanks. I still like it. Oh, we are doing one eye. We're filming one eye and the other eye off camera.
It just helps us out because, you know, we're very slow at this whole editing thing and we've got like hours and hours and hours of footage. No time to do it. What are the colors of the rainbow? Is there pink in the rainbow? No, just
No, there's a pink.
my options are life and sexuality.
Ooh, what a tough one.
Maybe if I try to mix them a little. Oh, this one is pigmented. So I'm copying Nikki Tutorials and she says to just do a harsh line on your crease and then get a buffer brush and just kind of buff it out higher. We're using a different palette, but this ain't going nowhere. Just staying as a harsh line.
I am doing a photo that my mom picked off Pinterest. So let's see how this goes.
So let let us know what you guys are doing in the comments for Pride. Since we obviously didn't get to go. Did you guys do anything fun? Did you stay home? Did you and some friends get together? Did you do a FaceTime happy hour? Oh, where my eyeshadow go? Oh my god. Okay, I just did a little cut crease. It's going on so far. It's a little patchy. I'm trying my hardest here. My hardest isn't very good. Y'all, there's a party outside. Roto. They be watching us. They keep coming to the window.
I'm dipping into my James Charles in the shade Social Blade.
My orange is turning peach.
That's a nice color though.
Oh. Good golly, Miss Molly.
We're now going into the B color in the James palette.
I'm tapping into natural. Tap, 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 tap. Natural. Okay. This screen is green. I had trouble like getting the yellow on and getting the yellow a yellow color. But this green is green. So Morphe came out with a new Pride palette. It's like got a lot of shimmers in it. And I wanted it so bad, but my husband's like, why are you looking at makeup? I was like, I'm not. It popped up in my email, so why not? And he's like, oh, as long as you're just looking at it. I got in trouble. And then ELF has a colorful one for Pride, but would you pay $21 for an ELF palette?
Depends how pretty it is, I guess.
For ELF? Who would pay that much for an ELF palette?
Well, ELF is kind of stepping up their game, though.
I wouldn't pay that much for ELF.
Alright, now I'm gonna go to Daddy. Oh, baby!
Now I'm dipping into Truth. And she purple. She purple, okay?
I guess I'm just going off in my own world now.
I knew that was gonna happen.
You have a light bulb?
Are you looking up or down?
You got Abby?
No. Oh, everybody's swimming, but Jaleesa's littlest son's not allowed to. No, because he's naughty. So looking good.
Are you serious?
That cut crease though.
Bad?
No.
Is it good?
That's like the best one you've ever done.
You know, I practiced the other day.
I mixed my red and my pink together. My sticker is starting to itch my skin.
This eye is about done, I think.
I need like a brush cleaner as I go brush cleaner. Okay, so far I like the way this eye turned out. This eye is a little bit of trouble with the purple. I don't know what it is about this eye, but this eye always looks patchy. No matter what I do, it looks patchy all the time.
I don't have blue eyeliner, so I'm gonna make my own blue eyeliner, eyeshadow, and concealer. Just put some concealer on, and then I'm gonna put some eyeshadow just to kind of like set it, I guess, in a way.
My blue and my purple is just turning into a black. Yes, it's my bad because, you know, I'm not a professional in skill, but in real life I am. That was difficult. Ooh! It did work.
It worked.
It worked. Wow! Ooh!
Okay, so I'm gonna highlight the brow bone.
My purple is so dark that it looks black.
Wow. That is dark.
This Poiple's killing the game. It's coming off green.
I wish I had a lime green.
Oh
Neon
no,
green.
it's mixing with the yellow that's under there.
Meeting.
Meeting.
Okay, well, it's obviously the makeup look.
On one eye.
On one eye.
Oh, I
Exactly.
forgot we were only doing one eye.
Yeah. Oh, you were doing both eyes?
Wow,
You did 2 eyes in the matter of me doing one, and I thought I was being fast. I was so proud of myself. Reality. I'm slow.
I forgot. That's my bad, guys. That's almost one eye. I forgot that's what we were doing, so I'll just finish up this one eye.
I'm gonna wait for her, and then I'll put on mascara and lashes off camera.
I'm gonna do eyeliner off camera just real quick, okay?
Voila! Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope we slayed it. Happy Pride, you guys. This was really, really fun. I'm not gonna lie. I really like this look. It's probably like one of my favorite looks I've ever done.
Yeah, this look is bomb on her. She did a good job. I'm so proud.
Thanks. But we will take a picture and a close-up of our eye look and our face all together, and we will insert it right now. But alright guys, thank you for watching. Happy Pride. Happy LGBTQ.
Dang, look at her. She's killing it with this blonde, long, luscious hair and her stickers and her eyeballs.
Okay. Whatever, you and your purple though, girl.
She's a whole package right now.
Thanks for watching. I'm blushing now. We will link our palettes that we use down below. If you're interested, check us out. Give this video a like, a comment, ring that bell. Bing!
Don't forget to subscribe.
Exactly. And if you guys want to see more of us, then just stay tuned and keep watching.
We come out with a new video every Sunday.
Yes, Sunday.
So turn on those post notifications. Keep up with us.
Keep up with us.
The Jones and the O'Donnell.
Ooh.
Keep it up with us.
That was actually my Aunt Phyllis's name, O'Donnell Jones.
Weird.
Weird.
This was fun.
It really was.
Happy Pride.
Oh, nothing. Snatched.
Bye.
Be safe. Bye.